today we talk how we can make a standard CSV file for our data. So for example, here in this website we can get data, and I downloaded data here, GBP USDT, pound, English pound, USDT. You see there is no header for this, so it's not a standard. We should add header here. So let's we do this. First we import Pandas as PD, and we import globe. Okay, so we want to get all files, globe. All my files is here, so we write this. First we write here, and we write here this. It means all files, get all files which end with .csv in this folder. Okay, so yeah, so we tell here, okay, so we write for file in files here. First print file, so we see you got correct, you get correctly or not. As you see, we got all files which we have here. So you think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column, 6 column here. Okay, but actually not. Let's see. We say we first read pd.read CSV file, and our header is none. There is no header for now. No print lenav df.column. Okay, so here we can see how many columns we have. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but actually we say we have only one. Why we have only one? Because actually we haven't any header, and we tap it's separate. So we should say this to him, to program. Here we write sep equal to t, so it's no separate, and we have no 6 columns. See, can you see? No, we have 6 columns. Okay, so let's see here. We are reading. Okay, no, we write here. Okay, no, we want to say vdf.columns equal to headers. Equal to headers. We should first define headers. As first one we want to be time. Here we want to be time, open, high, low, kilos, volume. So time, open, high, low, kilos, volume. Okay, so volume have E or not, I don't know. Volume maybe have E, maybe not, I don't know. So yeah, so here we set DM columns to headers, these headers. Then we say PD dot to PD no df dot to no PD dot to CSV or PD what was to df dot to CSV. Yeah, df dot to CSV are index B false, there is no index. Let's click. Okay, reading done. Okay, let's see. No, let's check. Okay, let's see, we have no headers. df to CSV, which df file? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as you see now we have header, time, open, high, low, kilos, volume.